Hey there, I'm going to demonstrate one round of Wim Hof breathing. In Wim Hof breathing, you inhale through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. This is diaphragmatic breathing, meaning from the diaphragm, so you'll be pushing your diaphragm out. This is not to bulge your chest out the stomach. And the exhales, chest release. You don't have to empty everything out of the bottom of your lungs. So one round of Wim Hof breathing, for me, it's 20 in-breaths with just relaxing and letting it go, pushing out the diaphragm. So that's 20 inhales and releases, and then stop. When I get to 20, I'm just gonna let all the breath out of me and hold my breath. And I'll do it for, I don't know, this time I'll do it for 1 minute. And it's easy to hold your breath. You might think, oh wow, your lungs are gonna be empty, is gonna struggle. You might be surprised. But when you try to practice your Wim Hof breathing, don't worry about how long you're holding your breath initially. Just get the technique out. So again, here's what I'll be demonstrating. I'm going to be taking 20 breaths in through my nose, out through my mouth, diaphragmatic breathing, and then at the 20th breath, I'm going to just let it go and hold my breath for as long as I can, or just in this case, maybe 1 minute. And then I'll take an inhale fully and hold it for about 15 seconds, and that'll constitute the round. So let me start. Okay, so here we go. This is 10. Last one. Exhale and hold. That was my inhale. I did it for about a minute, got full lungs, and I'm holding it for about 15 seconds. And there you have it. That's one round of Wim Hof breathing. Again, what I did was 20 diaphragmatic breaths, meaning I'm filling my stomach up and just relaxing out. So breathing through the nose and out the mouth for 20 breaths. Now I could have done it for 10, I could have done it for 30. I like 20. You might start at 10, whatever number you choose. And then the breath hold, that was a minute. And boy, I bet you could tell on my face I was pretty euphoric. It's so nice out here. I'm listening to the birds. I'm getting sunshine and all jazzed out. This is very pleasant. So while I'm waiting, just hold my breath for a while. Then you saw me inhale. I held it for 15 seconds and release. That's one round. Normally, my Wim Hof breathing during the morning exercise is about 3 rounds. So altogether about 60 breaths. And that's it. That's Wim Hof breathing. Very simple. Anyway, I just want to actually show you me doing it. Thanks for tuning in.